See when I ride on bumbo.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. Spot, baby. Lego.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing this style. I was honestly so inspired to do it from an Angela Davis picture that I saw a couple weeks ago. My mom used to do this hairstyle. She got a couple pictures as well. She used to do it back in the day, and given that everything that's going on in the world, I just, want to embrace my culture and just try new things with my hair. And honestly, it's shrunken a little bit because it's so hot with all these lights. Anyway, if you guys want to see how to get this style, then just keep on watching. Hi y'all. So to start, you're going to need a pick. I like the one with the metal teeth, and I have a plastic one as well. They both work for different reasons, and I'll explain that later. And you'll also need a spray bottle with water. So I'm going to start by taking down my twist gently, emphasis on gently, and finger detangle and pick through my hair. I'm starting off on an old twist out that I'm just going to use, and I'm just going to pick and finger detangle all the curls and the waves out. But make sure you're starting on moisturized hair, because if you try to do this on dry hair, trust me, you will break your hair off. So please do not do that. And I know it looks like I'm being rough on my hair, but I promise you I'm not. It's just sped up and it looks like I'm detangling my hair roughly, but I promise you I'm taking my time. Like I said, take your time with this. I started with the plastic pick first, but then I realized that I like the pick, the metal teeth, a lot better for detangling. I just feel like it glides through my hair a lot easier. So when your hair is fully detangled, now we can work on creating that perfect spherical shape. Honestly, just use your fingers to pull, to fluff, and to pat. As you can see, I'm feeling myself and my hair is finally starting to take the shape that I want. To get the bangs, I pulled some of my hair forward to let it fall on my face. Here is when I like using the plastic pick to fluff my roots. I don't really bring it all the way through my hair, just to lift my hair out a little bit more. Okay, so it might sound a little counterintuitive because I'm spraying my hair, and I know we want a big voluminous fro. And to be honest, I did get a little carried away with the spray bottle. But you want to lightly spritz your ends, not too much though, because you don't want your hair to shrink and revert too much. So just spray it lightly, and this will help the ends curl so your hair is not see-through at the ends, and you'll just get a better overall shape. Trust me, you'll see the difference once you do it. Oh my god. I love this. This is so cute. Y'all. So pretty much what I'm finding out is it's pretty much all about picking and playing to get the right look. I probably sprayed it too much and it's probably gonna shrink now, but that's okay. Look at it. Pick, and pick some more. Yep. But I'm almost finished. And 3, 2, of course. 1. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you were inspired to create this hairstyle. This is super cute and it's honestly really easy to do. You just have to take your time with it. You don't want to break off your hair or anything. Honestly, if you guys do this style, can you please tag me on it on Instagram? I'm going to put a hashtag here. I want to see all y'all fros. Because honestly, I feel like there aren't enough kinky styles out there. We don't see it enough. So I hope we can bring back the fros. I don't know how good they are for your hair, but every now and then, can we just break them out? Let's just break them out. I'm gonna stop talking. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.